in the 2022 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, battery saver, power brakes, braking assist, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.